There are tons of fried rice videos out there, but I feel like some of them don't explain some of the crucial steps necessary to take in order to achieve the perfect fried rice. Here, I will share my tips and tricks on how to get the perfect fried rice every time. Let's get to it. First, let's talk about rice. Because there are many types of rice grains and not all of them are suited for this. For fried rice, I will only use jasmine rice. It's fragrant, it holds up better to stir frying than basmati rice, and it has a satisfying bite to it. Number 2, washing the rice. This is a crucial step. Removing the starches will give your rice a nice fluffy texture without clumping into a sludge. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. Number 3, soaking. I found out that if you leave the rice soaking in cold water for 10 minutes, the texture of the finished rice has a nice bouncy bite to it. Number 4, boiling. Drain the rice, place it in the pan, add a touch of salt and cover with 1.2 parts of water. If you skip the soaking step, you will add 1.5 parts of water. I will put the pan onto a medium heat with the lid on, and when it starts boiling aggressively, I will turn down the heat to low and simmer it with the lid on for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I will always set a timer by the way, I will turn off the heat, remove the lid, and with a spoon I will fluff up the rice in the pan and then place one paper towel on top before putting the lid back on. This will prevent the steam condensing back onto the rice, but it will also keep the rice moist while it rests and cools down. After about 30 minutes, the rice is ready for stir frying. Now, back in the kitchen. Chicken. Cut it into small chunks in the bowl. Simple marinade. Soy sauce. Touch of Shaoxing wine. Sesame oil. My own blend of spice, which is basically Szechuan peppercorns, white pepper, salt and MSG. And cornstarch. Mix. Now let it rest for 5 minutes. You can add a bit more oil if you feel it's too dry. Chicken is ready. Shallots in. Garlic in. Set it aside, otherwise it will burn. Touch of oil to cool the pan. Eggs in. When the egg is halfway there, bring in your rice. Now, MSG. Touch of salt. You can bring the chicken back in. Frozen peas and toss. Now add in your soy sauce on the edges of the pan so it doesn't burn, and toss again. Spring onions in, toss, and fried rice is done. Plating. Very simple, nothing fancy. Some of the Szechuan peppercorn spice. And it's done. Now, begin. Mate, it's salty, it's umami. The spring onion, the soy sauce, the egg, even the peas. I'm telling you, if you try this fried rice recipe, you'll never have takeaway fried rice again. This is fucking perfect. That spice from the Szechuan peppercorn. Fried rice heaven. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.